Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to group and ungroup objects here in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you are not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested, we have already created separate tutorials of the different features and functions of other Google softwares, such as Google Docs and Google Sheets on our YouTube channel, which we have a dedicated playlist on how to do those. We also have a dedicated video for the beginner's guide of other Google softwares, including Google Slides, in which we tackle about the basic features and functions and just a brief introduction about the software. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, let us now move forward to grouping and ungrouping objects here in Google Slides, which could be very useful, especially if we would like to move all of those objects at once and not one by one. It may also help us with our consistency because we will move it to the same place at the same time. And to do that, all you have to do, it is actually quite simple. In your blank or in your canvas, as you can see, I have many elements. I got different of objects. Let's say, for example, if I click on this object and I move it around, this the only one that will move around. Now, if I want to move around these shapes as well, I have to do it manually one by one. Now, to make our lives easier, all you have to do is to head over to a blank space on your canvas and then click and drag. As you can see, it creates a sort of rectangle. All you have to do is to highlight all of those objects that you would like to group and then release your mouse. And now, as you can see, it is now grouped. We can resize it if we would like. You can adjust it if you want. You can move it around as one whole because we have grouped these elements or objects. Now, if you would like to ungroup them, all you have to do is to click on a blank surface of your canvas, and as you can see, we have now ungrouped these objects. As simple as that, we can group and ungroup our objects on our Google Slides. That makes our work efficient and our lives generally easier. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.